Hello ladies and gentlemen, now today we have another repair video. Today we have an Xbox 360 that has a tray issue where the tray would not remain closed and keeps opening once you close it. Now follow me on this journey as I do a tear down and discover what's causing this tray to have this opening and closing issue. Now, as anyone know, trying to take apart an Xbox 360 can be quite a task, as it's mostly held in by clips, and some of those are a bit difficult and hard to reach. However, with careful prying and unclipping, you'll be able to take the shell apart and be able to get to the screws that hold the Xbox together, which are 5 torque block screws that hold the side panel together. However, upon investigation, I realized that this Xbox has been dropped a few times, which has caused those screws to come loose or break loose from the side panel. However, I did have a secondary Xbox that I was planning on using to do repairs on the issues that this Xbox is having. So I'm just gonna be swapping those panels out and replacing them with the other ones. I also noticed that one of the fans that is in one of the Xbox wasn't made for it, so I'm also gonna be taking out the fan out of this one and replacing it with the non-manufactured fan that is in the other one also. It seems the fan in this one was damaged before and was somehow replaced with this current AMD fan, which I don't think is from the manufacturer. Alright, so now that that is done, I'm gonna be taking apart this tray just to see what's causing the tray not to stay in once it's closed, and I'm gonna be using the other tray as a substitute if we need parts. However, I've learned that most of the Xbox 360 drives aren't interchangeable, so I'm gonna have to be careful of what is damaged and what I'm changing over in each drive. As long as I keep the main board, which is serial locked to the motherboard of the Xbox 360, then I can pretty much change any of the other components without having issues. Now, while taking this apart, I noticed that there were some things rattling in around it, inside of the drive itself. Now, upon investigation, I realized that one of the brackets has come loose or has broken off from the tray itself, and seems to be one of the major issues that is causing the tray not to close and keep opening. So, upon investigation, I've noticed that that cannot be repaired, so I'm just gonna be replacing the tray itself and just swap the main boards over to the other tray with a fully functional sliding tray. So upon seeing that it's the sliding tray that's the issue, I decided to swap the lens, the main board, and pretty much every one of the electrical components across one for one. All right, so now that that is done, I'm gonna reassemble back the final tray, put it together, and reassemble the Xbox and test to see if it's functional. Now, I weren't able to locate a hard drive tray holder for the hard drive itself, so I will just be putting it in now and then be bracing it with foam so it won't be rattling around while it's being moved in the future. They no longer support it, the store and stuff. This has been an RC Electronics repair. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow.